Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Treasury Prime BaaS. Review my usage experience. Treasury Prime BaaS, or Banking as a Service, offers a platform for businesses to integrate financial services into their applications. It's primarily aimed at fintech startups and established companies looking to offer banking features without building their own infrastructure. Key features seem to include API access, account management tools, and potentially fraud prevention measures, although the specifics vary based on the chosen package. Their website provides details on their various offerings and pricing. Treasury Prime positions itself as a robust and flexible solution, emphasizing ease of integration and scalability. They highlight transparent pricing, although specific details are best found on their site. The technology appears to be built on modern cloud infrastructure, ensuring reliability and security. Availability is likely dependent on the specific services required and geographical location. Checking their website is recommended. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Treasury Prime BaaS. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was well documented, and I was able to connect my existing systems within a couple of hours. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard is well organized and visually appealing. I particularly appreciated the clear documentation and example code provided for their APIs. I used their account management API to integrate account creation into my own application, and the process worked flawlessly. Performance was consistently excellent. API requests were processed quickly and reliably, with no noticeable downtime. I had a quick question about a specific API endpoint, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a helpful explanation and code snippet. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was and the granular control offered over various settings. One minor drawback was the somewhat steep learning curve for some of their advanced features. It took me a little while to fully grasp the nuances of their fraud prevention tools. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Treasury Prime BaaS. It's a powerful and efficient platform that streamlined a critical aspect of my application development. That's my overview of Treasury Prime BaaS. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.